Welcome to the Ways of Israel, also known as Los Caminos de Israel. We are going to start a Hebrew reading crash course by NJOP, and it's going to be very easy. It's going to be for anyone who speaks English and wants to learn how to read Hebrew. It's a crash course that's intended for persons who don't know the alphabet, and we invite you to be participant of this program. Right below this video, there should be a link to WhatsApp. Go ahead and link and add yourself to the group. I will also need your email address and other information that we request so we can send you out the booklet directly from the NJOP program. So be part of this new crash course of Hebrew learning, and you'll enjoy the class. It will be done and executed via WhatsApp. So look forward to seeing you. Shalom Aleichem, and any questions, please just email me at waysofisrael@yahoo.com.